back to my channel. Today I will cook tomato and red lentil soup. Only few ingredients you will need. I have got here some dry red lentil, some chopped garlic and onion, sliced tomato and some extra sliced onion. And among the spices, turmeric. And here at the end I will need to use, I will show you. Here I have dry spice seeds, cumin, aniseed, nigella seed, fenugreek and bit of mustard. Very small amount. I have got here roughly a quarter teaspoon. It is for flavoring at the end. This lentil soup to cook very easy. You do not need to soak the lentil overnight like lots of famous chefs they will tell you. I don't do. You do not need to soak it overnight either. But first need to wash this lentil. To wash the lentil, just you need to put some cold water in there. And with enough cold water, use your hand to rub the dry lentil under the water, and you will see water will be really whitish cloudy, and then you will drain the water and repeat this process maybe 3-4 times until water looks a bit clean. Here, after washing the lentil 3-4 times roughly, water will be like this with this amount of cold water with the dry lentil, and in here I will add that chopped onion and garlic. It will go in here, and nothing you need to do, just put the lid on but hang around here and bring this food mixed ingredients to boil. As soon it will start boiling, put the heat down. You will need to simmer roughly 20 to 30 minutes until the lentils are cooked and soft. Do not add salt or turmeric or anything. It will toughen the protein of the lentil and it will take a really long time for your lentil to be cooked. And also, if when you are boiling the lentil and onion, garlic, etc., with the lid on, do not leave your cooking area because it may boil over and you don't want that huge mess on your stove. So I will hang around until it comes to the boiling point. Here, lentil, onion, garlic, they have started boiling. I will just give quick stir. Do not need to stir too much. And you will see a little bit of froth and foam. It is perfectly all right. It will happen with the lentil. And I have put the heat down at simmering point with the lid, but little bit, so there is some vent so any steam can come out, and very low heat, gentle simmer. I will do, as I have said, roughly 20 to 30 minutes until the lentil will be soft. If you notice that your water has reduced a lot, you can add extra water until the lentil is soft. So wait until that time. After 20 minutes, I can see that you will see that when lentil will be soft enough and cooked, you will see that they will really look like breaking, falling apart. At this stage, now I will add a teaspoon of turmeric. If you like, you can add a little bit more, and also about the amount of fresh onion and garlic. If you want to use a bit less, that's fine. So here turmeric and the sliced tomatoes going in here, and tomatoes are with the skin on and seeds, everything on. And also now I will add some salt. Give it a good stir and mix, and now you will see the color from the turmeric. If you are happy with this color, you do not need to add anymore. If you like to have a little bit more color, I like a little bit more turmeric color, so I will add a little bit extra, roughly a quarter teaspoon. Just give it a stir, and now I will simmer again with the lid on, and will hang around here roughly for 5 minutes until the tomato is soft. Yes, tomatoes are soft. Now when you will get tomatoes are soft, everything is cooked. Look, taste for the salt and seasoning. Yep, I'm happy with the salt amount. Now I will need to make the mixture a little bit smooth. This is our traditional one with wooden stick and front like this, and within this one, when we spin it, the mixture get really smooth. But it is, if you really like absolutely silky smooth, you have to use those electric mixture or I would say stick mixture is better. And this one we use like this way, and it will keep some texture, and you will see. And I prefer my soup with a little bit of texture, and also the seeds from the tomatoes and the skin and lentils, they are not really perfectly taken away, so it is giving me some texture. And another thing I will suggest you guys, that when you are cooking with tomatoes or any vegetables, keep the lid on, so that all those water-soluble vitamins and minerals, if you cook with the lid on, they will stay in your food. And for the consistency, if you like to make a really thin consistency of your soup, you can add water and adjust the seasoning or salt. If you like to have really thick, when you will cook your lentil at the beginning, add less water. So you will just balance with the amount of water for the consistency of your soup. When it is done, I will put it away. After mixing the lentil, cooked lentil, tomato, onion, garlic, etc., I have put the pan on medium heat with the oil. Oil is hot enough, and now that dry spice mixture, we call it phuran. Path is 5. Here I have 5 different types of spice mix. Traditionally we may have 6, 7 or 8, list can goes on. So when oil will be hot enough, put this spice mix, you will see they will start popping a little bit. As soon they will start popping, the sliced onion, I am using extra sliced onion, they will go in, and on medium heat I will keep them cooking until these onions are caramelized. So caramelized onion smell and also those dry spice flavor, all this will create really exotic and intense flavor to the soup. The caramelizing onion will take some time, 5 minutes or more, but have the patience. Do not put the heat on really up high, then you will end up burnt onion or too dark. But when they get on medium heat, slowly get caramelized, they release the flavor and the sweetness of the onion. Everything will be in your soup. Onion is caramelized, just golden brown color. Now in this hot previously cooked lentil, on this one, carefully this caramelized onion, spices and oil, everything you will put in. Just be careful this time because hot oil is going in the water. There will be some sizzle and splash. You have heard already. And now give it a good stir and mix. So flavor will be there, and also oil will work all those oil soluble vitamins and minerals in the soup. Will be ready for our body to absorb, and put the lid on and ready to serve. Here is the soup ready to enjoy. If you do not have access to that dry spice mix, you don't have to be worried about that one. You can just use the caramelized onion. This soup you can serve with steamed rice or maybe bread, or on its own it is delicious. I hope you will enjoy making this soup. The recipe will be in the description box. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please leave a like, and if you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe. See you next time. Bye.